Welcome, my name is Noel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about Zoom and how to schedule a Zoom meeting, how to screen share, and how to basically set up a basic Zoom meeting. So first of all, what you want to do is open Zoom, log into your account, and either you'll be on the meetings page or the home page. So go to the home page. If you want to schedule a meeting, let's say for tomorrow or whatever date, just click on a date, type in your meeting example, your date, your time zone. Is it a recurring meeting? Is it happening every week? Meeting ID, you can use your personal ID or you can generate a new one. You can generate new password, so when somebody's logging in they just use that password. Put your host and participants video on, and I use other calendars just for ease, because if you connect iCalendar, Google Calendar, it opens up windows and syncs it up. I don't like that, so I just use other calendars. I use a personal calendar. I know what time the meeting's on it. Advanced options enable the waiting room. So that basically means, somebody will be in the waiting room. You will have to let them in. So it will come up in a little chat box saying enable. It will say let John Doe in. You can enable join before host, so if somebody gets there before you, they can sit and wait in the room. Mute the participants upon entry, so when everybody comes into the meeting they're automatically muted, and you can set it to automatically record. So schedule the meeting, you can copy the invitation there and send it out to whoever you want to invite. I'm going to close that now, and as you can see on the home page we have our example meeting starting in 8 minutes, and I can start that now if I like. So if you just want to start a new meeting right now, you can by just clicking new meeting, join with your computer audio. That's what I'm using. You can mute here, stop video, and that's basically it. And when people are coming into the room, you want to click participants here, and it'll show you the list of people in the room. And when somebody's joining your room, if they're in the waiting room, it'll show up here, and you'll have to allow them into the room. So screen sharing, in order to screen share, what I do is I'll open a window. Let's say if it's, you can screen share a Google website, you can screen share a picture on your computer, your phone. Let's say we open Google, and I'll go to screen share. This window will pop up, and Google Chrome. So I'll click on Google Chrome and share. And now this is the screen that everybody is able to see. And if you want to stop that, just click stop share. And if you're doing a presentation, you can also share a screen, click on the presentation, share, and that's what your participants will be able to see. Everything that's highlighted in green in the box, that will be what your participants will see. And you can, instead of closing it and going back, if you wanted to change to different windows, you can just click new share and back to Google Chrome. And now people are able to see the Google Chrome. Just move that out of the way, as you can see here. Okay. As well, you can have it that other people are allowed to share. So if you have, you know, a co-host who is going to share their screen, you can allow them to share their screen. Who can share? Only a host, all participants. And if you have a paid account, you can select, as far as I know, an individual to share. So that's basically everything you need to know about screen sharing, you know, scheduled meetings and setting up a meeting. It's very basic, very easy to do. Just select the screen you want to share, set up a meeting, share the link, create your password, and let your people know. It's very simple, very easy to do, and I hope somebody got some value out of this video. So let me know in the comments if there's something I didn't cover that you want to know about. I'll be more than happy to do another video on. Alright, so for now, take care. End the video and end the meeting for all. That will close the meeting altogether and finish the meeting for everyone.